Hey, what's up, you guys? To laugh, to love, to learn, deuce, truth, 777, 11, all the time, prime time, grind time. Who am I? Your nosy neighbor, your hoodologist, ghettoologist, lady at the school, lady at the grocery store, always in somebody's business. Hey, but look, today, there are three types of people in the world: people who watch things happen, people who make things happen, and people who walk around and wondering what's happening or wondering what happened. So today I invite you to take a self-examination and look inside yourself. We often want people to help us, but we don't help people. We want people to trust us, but we don't trust us. We want people to give us opportunities. We don't give opportunities. And that's even in our own community, in the black, Negro, African American, whatever you identify as. We got to stop being so hard on each other. We don't want to see each other get no money. We don't want to see each other prosper. We don't want to. We want to criticize, condemn, ostracize, and talk about each other all bad, but we want respect from the white man. We we need to want some unity. We need to want some community and bring our community back. It take a village to raise a child. All this cute, divide. Oh, I'ma do it by myself. No man is an island. Nobody can do it by themselves. Y'all waiting on the right person to discover you in this, and they might be right in your own backyard. Don't want to send no praises or accolades to your friends, your family, your co-workers, people in your everyday life who are doing extraordinary things, but we want to put them down. How you gonna do this? Well, how you gonna do that and talk about them bad behind their back? And then people wonder why they don't prosper. Wonder why their life is not going nowhere. If you spend your life sowing seeds of deceit, sowing seeds of complaining, talking about people, fussing, backbiting, trying to hurt somebody, feelings, don't want people to get no money. Hey, you know somebody selling a car? They could know somebody with a car lot. You know what black people do? All the Negroes, all the N-words, or whatever you guys want to be identified as. I'm African American. I don't know nobody. I wish I knew. No, your brother got a car lot. So, while we demanding all this respect, can we learn how to respect each other? Because this slavery that went too far in our brain where we really hate each other and hate ourselves and had them women and men, but not really men because people like dark men. But y'all go and get a little money and all y'all putting in and bathing in is this light skin cream to make you lighter. Ain't nobody gonna accept you lighter. Who cares? People gonna look at your pictures. If you don't go lighter, do it like Michael Jackson. Do it right. Do the whole body, your hands. Get the nose. Get everything you wanna be. You guys look at these celebrities and think that they should be raising your children. No, people, you should raise your own children. That's not just a problem in the black community. That's in the white community too. But they got so many examples of positive role models. We just look to what they tell us to, which is athletes and celebrities. Oh, you can do this. They don't broadcast the black scientists and the black researchers and the black engineers and all these black people working at NASA. But NASA ain't taking too many blacks. But yeah, I know what I'm saying. So like, click, subscribe, notify. But we talk about hard stuff. So I don't know how you gonna take it. I really don't care. Because with this Black Lives Matter movement and we condemning each other, we condemning our youth. Y'all mad at the youth for doing this, that, and other, but it wasn't nobody there to teach them or raise them. Nobody there to care. Mama wasn't there, father wasn't there. For the mamas who are there, this is not for you. For the fathers who are there, this is not for you. For the grandparents who are there, this is not for you. But grandparents shouldn't be raising no kids. They raise their kids. But whatever y'all want to do, get y'all some condoms. Rates in the black community for AIDS is very high, whether you guys want to like it or not, whether you go to the doctor or not. You can be in denial and never ever go to the doctor. That don't mean you ain't sick. Y'all better stop trusting these people and their sex organs. Bye. Black women is the highest rates for AIDS. Wake up. Y'all know about the housewives. I can crack on y'all because I am y'all. I've been with y'all all my life. And I know what's up. And I've been one. And I am one. And when I light, I'm going to get some surgery though. I already know that. I just don't know which one. But it's going to be off some money when I get some money. But I probably ain't. Because I don't really care about all that. I'm going to just get some new wigs. but probably not. But I don't know. Bye. Get off my channel. I'm talking too much. Don't like nothing about me if you didn't like this video, because you ain't gonna like the other stuff I say. Like, mwah.